Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings. From there, I'm going to scroll all the way down to General Management. I'm going to scroll down and select Reset. Factory Data Reset. Again, I'm going to scroll down. It gives us a list of things that it will remove. So you might want to read up what will be removed from the device. If there's anything in that list that you don't want to get rid of, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now for everybody else who just wants to proceed further, select Reset. If you have a screen lock, you will need to confirm it. Delete all. Now for some reason we need to turn on flight mode. I'm not exactly sure why that really matters. We should not give two effing hoots about it, but okay. Guess let's waste our time. Flight mode off. Delete all. And now we need to sign out of our Samsung account. It's not enough that we just provided a pattern verifying that this phone is ours. Samsung. So once you sign out of your Samsung account, on top of that, it will finally begin the reset of it. Now, this will probably take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we'll be then presented with this setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.